Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, I've done a thing again. If you remember last Christmas, hubby, that's Christmas 2020, hubby didn't know what to get me. So I said, oh, well, there's these mystery boxes. We'll order one of those. So we ordered one. And yeah, the videos, I'll put a link to the video down below. It was a little bit disappointing. So this year there's all these mystery boxes, mystery bags, all different things coming up. And we spotted this one on Amazon, and it's called a blind box and random diamond painting 10-pack. They do make it sound really exciting. It says blind box random diamond painting. You may receive any pattern diamond painting. Each pattern style is different. All kinds of diamond paintings are here. There will always be a diamond painting that attracts your heart, including planets, skeletons, peacocks, tigers, sunsets and animals, etc. The mystery of diamond paintings with unknown patterns will always arouse your attention and curiosity. You will not know what the pattern is until you receive the diamond painting. And it's a pack of 10 for $22.99, including postage. So I said, well, what about that? That would be fun. It would be fun to open with my subscribers as well, and hopefully, because we've got 10, we might not be quite so disappointed as we were with getting the one. So the product description is a 10-pack surprises. A 10-pack. Surprises are the spice of life. Welcome to the mysterious surprise you have been waiting for. Whether you've been looking to gift yourself or friends, something they're bound to cherish. Because we all cherish the thrill of the unknown, right? Question mark. So I'm going to do this in a couple of parts because this little package turned up. I'm guessing that they're all 30 by 40 and smaller because this isn't a very large package. And when I opened it up, because I had no idea what it was, I mean, to be squished into this is just amazing. Yeah, it's a pack. As you can see, I saw what it was and I just thought, oh, right, okay. It's a pack of 10 diamond paintings. Well, I think there's 10 anyway. Okay, so we'll pick out, do 3 for now. One from that end, one from the middle, one, oops, from this end, 2, and we'll go, these feel a bit smaller at this end, so we'll go 1, oops, from this end. Oh gosh, that one's quite thick. Okay, so I'll put those away and I'll do another video with these as we go along. We'll keep that excitement and mystery going. I love how they've described it. I think it's fab. Okay, so let's have a look at the fat one first. So yeah, we're at a 30 by 40 and it looks like they're all poured glue, which is good. As I say, I've got a sneaky suspicion that, albeit it said that there'd be different ones and different sizes and different things, that they're all going to be 30 by 40. But anyway, we'll see how we go, see what we get, see if we get any that we hate or any that we love. But let me know in the comments down below if you would have bought them and see what you think. This is going to be fun. Oh, well, that's a good start because you know how much I like my tigers. Okay, I do apologise if any of this is stolen artwork because obviously with it being a blind box and I am just opening them now, then I have not had a chance to look them up and see. I will try and have a look and possibly take them out of the videos if I can. So we've got, oh no, little packets. Oh, okay. That's why it's a thicker one. I was hoping it was going to be a bigger painting because it was thicker, but it's not. Oh no, and that's squidged as well. Let's just squidge this down. It is quite dark. 30 by 40, you can sort of see what it is. It does look better on camera than it does in real life actually, but I believe it's round. Yeah, it's round, so we may find that with it being round, it doesn't quite show up so well. For whatever reason, I've got a real static on my desk. Everything's sticking to it. Mostly because it's quite dry. Okay. Okay, so we're 19 colours, a nice key code, top and bottom. Looks like they're all numbers. Yeah, well, number 1 to 9, and 1 is 1 and 9 is 9. And then all capital letters, so that's good. That is a little bit difficult to see, although again it looks better on camera, but those 4s, that black background, is quite difficult to see there. We've got some nice highlights, but again it's going to be one of those things where we're going to need to do it to actually see how it turns out. But I do love my tigers, I have to say. Hull City, AFC, Hull City Tigers. So the actual size of the drilling area is 25 centimetres that way by 35 centimetres that way, which is pretty standard on poured glue canvases. We get a basic toolkit with a pen trying to escape there, trying to get out the bag. It looks like there's 3 grip seal bags in there, a bit of wax. So yeah, that's your toolkit. I'm hoping that these aren't just ones that they were trying to get rid of. But this isn't good. Look at this. We've got an inventory sheet at least, which helps. But it's in these horrible little packets, and I've not had these for ages. And particularly, I've never had them. Have I had them from Amazon? I don't think I've ever had them from Amazon. But yes, so that's what our picture is supposed to look like when it's done. And we've got our key code there, our DMC numbers, that's probably how many drills there are, and then that's probably how many packets there are of each colour. And we've got 23 colours, 23 of the little packets of 310. I'm not going to take these out because they are these horrible little packets, but I think you can see we've got some nice highlight colours for the tiger, and lots and lots and lots of 310. And there's quite a few, is that some deep blue there. What's the next colour then? No, they're all 2s, 3s and 4s, so it is mainly black, this. Okay, well, we'll yeah, just live with that one. So that's the first one. Okay, jury's out. Like the picture. Don't like the drills. Hopefully the rest of them aren't like this. So I've got number 1 out of the way. And let's have a look at number 2. This looks very, very pixelated. I've no idea what this is. This says 40 by 30, so this is maybe a landscape. Have a look. Get it out of this little plastic bag. Okay. Oh yeah, oh dear. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so we're a very, very pixelated landscape. And again, on camera, actually, they do look a lot better. I can see it on my camera. And yeah, it's looking better on screen than it does in real life. Again, we're rounds, yeah, but at least we're in these strip packets this time, not those horrible little packets. And okay, this one's 25 colours. Okay, quite a bit of confetti in this one. Whether I'll get round to doing this one, I don't know. Not my kind of painting, not one that I would have bought. Again, I will have to check the artwork. Okay. So that's the little thumbnail. They do look like they are very consistent with the company. So we've got 1 down to 9 again, and then all capital letters. We've got DMC codes on the canvas. And are they on the packets as well? No, there's no DMC codes on the drills on the packets, but they are just on the canvas. Okay. P and R are different colours. We've got a 5 with no S, have we? Oh, we have got an S. Ooh, 5 and S are... Oh, well, 5 is black and S is white, so not too bad. Let's have a quick look at the drills. Same toolkit, 4 baggies in that one. Okay. Lots of drills, so 25 colours. quickly go through these. But reasonable quality acrylic drills. Got a grey there, and like a wine colour, rosy pink, and your browns and your blues, and your mustardy colours, and a very pale grey, and a dark yellow, green, stony colours, browns, orangey, browny colours, blues. I suppose these are all the different colours of the buildings, and a pink there at the end. And then we have quite nice bright colours. So even though it's not a brilliant picture, actually I do like the colours. I love that colour green, really bright and makes you smile when you see that one. So yeah, it's those. Pop that one out the way. Okay, and we'll have a look at the next one. Okay, and the next one, let's have a look. I'll make this one the last one for now. I'll just do this as a quick video, and then I'll do the others at another time. Oops, not wanting to come out. I think I can see an elephant. So I think this one again is a scenery one. Oh, and this is only 30 by 30. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Okay. Very small. Very, very pixelated. Looks like it's going to be some lovely colours, but an awful lot of blocking. So these definitely show up better on camera than they do in real life. We'll see what it looks like when it gets done. I probably will do this one. I do quite like it, and I do like bright colours. I find that bright colours make you smile when you're doing them. Well, they do me anyway. Okay, so yeah, 19 colours. Gosh, static, sticking to my desk. I have to use an anti-static mat, I think. Yeah, we've got 1 down to 9 again, and then all capital letters. DFC codes on the canvas there, so that's good. Yeah, it's that dark lettering on dark. I don't know, sorry, there's a bit of glare, isn't there? It's very, very difficult to see. That's going to be a definite do it in daylight with a nice bright light or a light pad underneath. I'm not going to be able to see to do that at all. Let me just get that bubble out from there. Okay, right, so let's have a look at these drills. Oh, another toolkit, identical again, so I'm getting a collection of those. Okay. I have noticed actually that on Facebook and Instagram and all over places, there's a lot of manufacturers, a lot of companies now doing these mystery boxes, and I do think it's because they've maybe got such a big inventory and there's so much happening in the diamond painting world now, different products and things coming out, that they are wanting to get rid in bulk of some of their older stock. So that's probably what these are. I'm not overly impressed, but then I'm not totally disappointed either. So the jury's out. We'll see what the rest of them look like when I get those. So yeah, lots of lovely pinks. That's your darker colours and reds. That sunset is going to look so gorgeous in all these different colours. And all your yellows and browns and oranges and more reds and pinks and purples. So yeah, we've got a good selection of colours in that one. As I say, possibly not something I would have chosen, but that one I will do. The scenery one, possibly. Again, definitely something I wouldn't have chosen. May start doing some giveaways this year. Watch this space, you never know. Tiger, yes, that is something that I would possibly have chosen, although I would have probably liked it bigger because that is quite a magnificent painting. So yeah, 3 paintings, not too bad. Start of my mystery box, but we'll see what we get in the rest of them. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, if you can give me a thumbs up, that would be much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see the rest of them, the other 7 that I've still got to open, then if you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when the videos come up. But Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.